everyone, good morning. My name is Lucia Dundo. Welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. So today we're going to prepare simple pancakes. Nothing complicated. As you can see, I prepared like 4 bananas, so I'm just gonna peel them off. And as we continue to peel them off, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe. So this morning, I must tell you, I wore a t-shirt and my nephew was like, no, you have to wear a dress to do the shooting. So this dress is courtesy of my nephew and my niece who is filming. So I'll just mash the bananas, the sweet bananas. There are 4. So for this pancake making, it's just like freestyle, but I'm going to put like simple ingredients and a recipe on how to do it. So after mashing, like, you make sure you mash the bananas really well. I love bananas. The smell of bananas in cakes and in pancakes is something else. So normally I would also make the pancakes without an egg. Just make it like vegan, completely vegan with soya milk or almond milk. But because no one is dieting, it's going to be vegetarian with milk and eggs. So I'm just going to place them in a pan. Put it on the side, and then with 1 egg, just break it in there. In between, because I don't like the smell of eggs, I'm gonna wash my hands. Make sure you dry your hands. And then you just whisk the banana and egg together. This is not so much to do. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of baking powder. This is a German baking powder. I live in Germany, so sometimes I bring them along with me. But right now I'm in Kenya. So I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon. Together. And some milk. So we'll say for now maybe up to 200 ml. 200 ml is like half a cup. But then depending on the consistency that you like, you can make it thicker or a bit lighter. Then I'm just going to put flour in it. And mix the flour with the wet ingredients. So as you can see, it's becoming a bit thicker. You add some milk. Okay, so because we put like 4 bananas, I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Maybe let me add a bit of like half, a little bit. And then love the smell of vanilla. Just 1 teaspoon. A pinch of salt. And then some butter. So I'm just going to mix both of them, like all the ingredients. But then as you can see, it's still a bit of thick, so I'm just going to add like 100 ml of milk. So now we're going to shallow fry our pancakes. Let me show you how we're going to do it. Normally I do it with butter so that it smells good. I'm just going to melt butter in the pan. Not so much. I don't like thick pancakes. Thinner pancakes are really good because they are like they're good and moist and a bit of like crunchy, if you know what I'm talking about, people who love pancakes. So you're just going to turn the pancake. Yeah, see how nice it's looking, and a bit of like fluffy or raised by the baking powder. Nice. So our pancakes are now done. Come close by so you can see how good they are. They're very brown. I'm just going to taste one of them. Normally I eat my pancakes with like jam or syrup. Let me know what you take your pancakes with. Tastes so good.
Lucy in the kitchen, as I say, in the bar. Except no alcohol.
No alcohol, yes.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it. Die for nothing.
Cocktails. So here I prepared some strawberry cocktails during Christmas because my friends were coming to celebrate with me and my niece and nephew. The ingredients I used included strawberries, mint, Sprite soda, ice cubes, honey, and colored sugar for decoration. And you'll find all the ingredients and prep details in the video caption.
The mommy in the kitchen.
We have to enjoy.
Exactly.
This is our own enjoyment of Christmas.
Don't put for yourself. You have put 2 for the grown-ups.
Yes, I put for everyone.
That's this one.
That's good, even 2. It's 2. Then a bit of syrup.
Not a bit, a lot. You're just putting syrup and a lot of Sprite.
lost a lot. Okay, here, food for you lost a lot. I'll give you this one.
I drink.
So, guys, our cocktails are done. For the food that I prepared for Christmas, I did some grilled chicken and carrots, and also baked potatoes and butternut. And as a nutritionist, butternut is rich in vitamin A, so it's also good for your health. More details on how good vitamin A is will come later as we continue to grow this YouTube channel. Thank you. Food. Come close. Come to the food. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Bye. See you next time.